What would happen if your phone broke today, or if you lost your job tomorrow? Would your finances survive the heat, or collapse instantly? The truth is, most people are one unexpected expense away from crisis. That's where an emergency fund becomes your financial safety net. And yes, even if you earn very little, you can still build one. Hey lovely people, welcome or welcome back to Money Lessons with Debbie. On this channel, we talk about personal finance and we'll break down money matters that affect our everyday life. Let's get started, shall we? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build an emergency fund step by step. Let's go. First things first, why exactly do you need an emergency fund? An emergency fund isn't just for high earners or low earners. It's for everyone. It protects you from going into debt when life hits hard, like during job loss, a health issue, or a broken appliance. And when you have it, something amazing happens. You worry less. You sleep better and you feel more in control. It's not a luxury, it's a must-have, a necessity you can't afford to do without. Now that we've looked at why you need an emergency fund, let's see how much you should save in your emergency fund. So how much should you save? Aim for at least 3 months worth of your essential expenses, things like rent, food, transport, and utilities. For example, if you live on $300 or 300,000 naira a month, your emergency fund goal should be $900 or 900,000 naira. But don't let that number intimidate you. This is just an example. The key is to start small and stay consistent. Now, let's look at the step-by-step process of how to create an emergency fund on a low income. Step 1. Track your spending. I sound like a broken record at this point because I mentioned this step in almost all my videos. But trust me, this step is very important and it's like the foundation. Every other step is resting on this one. So, before saving anything, know where your money goes. Use an app or notebook to record your daily expenses. You'll be shocked at how much slips through your fingers. Step 2. Cut low priority spending. Once you know your habits, trim them. Cancel unused subscriptions, reduce takeout meals, walk or carpool when possible. You don't need to cut everything, just what you won't miss. Step 3. Create a tiny savings habit. Start with what you can, even $1 or 500 naira a day. Use a jar, envelope, or a digital savings app. The goal is to build the habit, not to impress anyone. Step 4. Automate your savings. If possible, set your bank to move a small amount to your savings automatically. It's easier to save when you never see the money in the first place. Step 5. Save any windfalls. Birthday cash, refunds, bonuses, or side gig income. Funnel it straight into your emergency fund. That extra money can speed things up without affecting your day-to-day budget. So where should you keep an emergency fund? That is a very important question to ask. Your emergency fund should be easy to access, but not too easy. A separate savings account works best, preferably one with no debit card attached. Avoid risky places like crypto wallets or investment platforms. This money isn't for growing, it's for protecting. You might want to ask, how do I stay motivated? Saving on a low income can feel slow, but every dollar or naira saved is an amount closer to peace of mind. Track your progress, celebrate milestones, nothing wild though, and remind yourself, this fund is your freedom. It gives you time to breathe and think clearly when life throws a curveball. Remember, you don't need to be rich to be prepared. Try this process step by step. Whether you earn a little or a lot, your future self will thank you for starting today. If you're interested in learning how to budget your money, check out this video. The link is in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Until next time, remember, building an emergency fund is possible, one small step at a time.